Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I hope that you all are having a great day. Today is a really exciting day. Golly, I'm excited. We are getting a new car on the channel. That's right. I figured since my ZR1, which is not this vehicle here, that's a Mustang. Since my ZR1 that is normally in this area is going away to Texas for a week. I figured I'd need another car to fill that space. Then in about 4 days on Saturday, we will be taking delivery of my McLaren 600 LT, which will be in this spot right here. And if you are finding my channel for maybe the first time because you like the vehicle that I just bought in this upload and you just found out about me, I'm throwing a big delivery party at McLaren Philadelphia. There's gonna be free food, you know, all kinds of good stuff. And everybody watching this right now, everybody is invited. So myself, and my buddy John Turner, he's also taking delivery of his 600 LT Spider, and we're throwing a big party again at the dealership. Everyone is invited. Feel free to come out. The info is down below. It's gonna be a great time. Anyway, enough of the intro. Let's go ahead and get this new car for the channel. It's gonna be epic. Couldn't ask for a better October day. It's like 85 degrees. It's only like 10 a.m. right now, and it's already 85 degrees, and I don't really see a cloud in the sky. Are you ready, buddy? More ready. Heck yeah, let's do it. Garage door opener, gonna need that. In the Humvee, buddy. Let's talk about it then.
One windshield wiper. Serious? How kind of is this?
One windshield wiper. Yeah. So Shane and I were talking theoretically. Now this is just like a joke, but what if we gave away Shane's truck, the Hummer, after we fixed the windshield wiper?
And I want to finish it.
The Duramax, which he is now calling Old Betsy.
Old Betsy.
Why do you call her Old Betsy, dude?
Because it's out with the old, in with the
She's
new.
not Old Betsy. Every day he texts me like, dude, we should give away your Duramax. We're not doing it.
Old Betsy is what you title something that has like sentimental value. Something that's really old but means a lot. You give it a cool old nickname. Old
That's
Betsy.
why you call it Old Betsy?
Old Betsy.
She's not Old Betsy.
What? That's what we're. That's
yeah, we're
why
Hellcat swapping it.
That's why we decided to do it. We said, Mike said, hey, if he'll drop it to 5K, we'll do it for everything. So he put in the text. Sean's like, 5K? Yeah, let's do it. All right. Wow. So we're gonna Hellcat swap it, dude.
That's huge.
I know, it's gonna be epic.
That's huge.
As cool as that would be, it's horrible for off-roading, and that's what I'm gonna use it for. So we're not Hellcat swapping.
Alright, I'll see you guys when you need.
Alright, later, bro.
Here, this exit, Shane.
Everything always breaks whenever you try to do swap builds like that.
Yeah.
We're not doing that for you.
I mean, it'd be cool. It is cool, but it's a little much. A little Mustang on there. Look at that, dude. There you go. Let's get that.
Let's see how long we can trick Beaver.
Or watch the cops.
I know. Trick Beaver into thinking we are Hellcat swapping it.
Yeah. We're at the Chevrolet dealership. If you haven't guessed what we're getting yet, well, maybe now you'll know.
What?
There it is.
That GMC is gonna be sick.
Yeah, it's the GMC.
Oh.
Whoa.
Dude.
Oh my God.
Z71.
Yeah.
Fire.
So you guys know that I have always wanted a GMC. Anyway, it's the Gladiator. It's right there. And I've talked about getting one now for a while, and I've been dropping hints. I went to go see one, what was that, like 4 months ago, and I really liked it. And I was just waiting until like I had some cars out of the garage and I had some extra cash, and now we're getting one. So we are in fact getting a Gladiator. Gladiator time, bud. Let's go, dude. Well, here she is, dude. Oh, heck yeah. I am excited. Dude, look at the little sticker on the wheel. Is that a sticker? Oh, it's like painted in. Dude, Beef, is this painted?
Yeah.
That's cool, dude. A little detail there.
So supposedly they had like
Jeep Gladiator, baby. Oh yes, I'm finally back in a Jeep, and I want to be because I've been missing off-roading, and I have the Blazer, but this is something I can drive on the street as well. Got the one with the bed liner.
1492 or something in the bed. Look at the indents for like four-wheelers. So that's four? Yep.
Wow.
so
Isn't there like a bed?
did this come Linex or did you guys get that?
I I think it came with it. It came with that.
That's sick.
Yeah, walk me through all the options, Beaver, because I have no idea. Literally no idea what I got. They had one on the lot, and Beaver lined up the deal. I have no idea what the options are. Hold on, the wind is
So
blowing.
this is what we bought.
What do we got?
2020 Gladiator Sport.
Okay,
Base price $33,545.
gotcha.
Okay.
Because I told you my price range was like 40.
Right.
I wanted to get as close to 40 as possible.
The preferred 23S group is $3,200. Gives you the wheels, power windows and locks, heated mirrors, alarm, leather wrapped steering wheel, like the nice amenity things, automatic headlights, the normal everyday things. Trailer package $250. Sunrider soft top $595.
I like that a lot.
Yeah.
It's like power, isn't it?
It's not power.
For this one, it's not power. Okay.
Spray and bed liner $495.
Spring for that one.
Spray and bed liner $495.
Okay.
Destination's $1495, dude. They kill you with that.
Yeah, what the
MSRP
heck, Dodge?
$39.5. Our cost way less.
And we're out the door for
We're
like
out the
41.
door like 41 grand.
Done deal, baby. 41 grand. Yeah, I didn't want to go crazy, but
See, a Rubicon would have been awesome, dude. They're 70, like almost 70 grand.
I know.
Like you load them up, they're like 69 grand.
And you know, I'm gonna lift it.
You don't need
Cool
all
wheels and tires anyway.
Right,
I don't,
exactly.
you know, I can buy.
that. So yeah,
this
we got
stuff.
basically 17-inch wheels and tires. Get rid of those.
Yeah, they're gone anyway.
Fender flares, gone.
Gone.
Bumpers, gone.
Gone. Actually, like really
Yeah, it's like
nice and luxurious.
I'm
It's a
telling you,
luxurious
it feels
stick
awesome
they
to
got in
drive.
here, dude.
It feels awesome to drive.
Oh man. Yeah, well, you were cruising in it
Yeah,
earlier.
I already cruising it.
Got it before me, buddy.
Well, it wasn't technically yours yet.
That's true. It's still not.
See,
We
I'm not
haven't done any
Turner. I don't.
paperwork
Yeah,
yet.
once you do paperwork, it's your car. Then you can sit in the driver's
Okay,
seat. So when
okay.
you do paperwork,
Fair,
though, it's not
fair
your car.
enough. Yeah, you're not Turner. I still can't. I'll never forgive him. Literally told Beeve, I was like, hey, you know, I want to spend like 40 grand. Can I get a Gladiator? And he found one. This is right down the road from Whitmore, by the way. So this is Hondrew. Good guys here. Found one on the lot for about 40 G's. And we're out the door for 41. So you can get a Gladiator pretty cheap if you don't go crazy on the options. And you know, knowing that I was gonna modify it anyway, I didn't feel like I needed all the crazy stuff because the price difference is pretty substantial between this and a Rubicon. You're talking like 25 grand. And again, sorry for the wind noise, but this is a really affordable Gladiator and should be a lot of fun. Went with the black, which again, that's what they had, so that's what we got, but got the black. What do you think, dude?
Dude, what do you think?
I love it.
I'm obsessed with it.
Ever since we gave away the Jeep, like I wanted to get back into a Jeep. You see the little detail?
The
Little grill emblem in there?
Yeah. They're
Very nice, yeah. I love it.
military theme.
Military theme, straight up, like I want this thing to look like a military vehicle.
So I got a lot of work to do.
Yeah, you gotta design something cool up. Plastic fenders.
Yeah, it took me longer to find it. Dude, Hellcat swap?
Not doing a Hellcat motor.
Wow.
That was not on my list of things to do.
It's a manual. That'd be perfect. You know how much
Yeah, it'll
fun
shatter the trans on day
know.
one.
Imagine revving that.
It'd be, imagine pulling up to a light next to
just-
like, you know, a Corvette, like a base Stingray, and you just dust the
Absolutely.
crap out of them in your Jeep truck. He's in his element over here. He's in his sales element.
What?
Hellcat swap is all ready to go, dude.
Shipping. Like it's.
Now, does that ruin the warranty?
Does that ruin warranty?
If I
still-
Hellcat swap it?
It's still a Dodge.
Still a Dodge engine.
Yeah. Really nice, guys, and it is in fact a manual. I didn't care about auto or manual. I just, you know, whatever they had. But I guess the manual is cheaper.
It's fire.
Super smooth. I like this whole thing here. It's
Hell
nice. That's for reverse.
Are we gonna take
Really
it for a
nice.
spin?
Yeah, you want to take it for a spin?
Yeah.
Getting in the back, bud?
Yeah, chauffeur.
All right, I'm waiting.
Oh boy.
Where are you going?
You leaving, babe?
Stuff to do.
He's going to his
I'm
honeymoon.
going to Barbados, dude.
You ready to rock and roll, dude?
Yeah, he said Chrysler doesn't pay for a full tank of gas, but I gave you one.
Chrysler, come on. I'm buying a 40 grand vehicle. I can't even get a tank of gas. Steve was on it, man, one day. Are you shifting? Cool.
Yeah, dude.
Here we go. That clutch pedal has like no
Feels like nothing.
resistance. It's got a little bit. Like, it's not bad.
Yeah, I got you.
Really smooth. All right, you're shifting again?
Yeah, dude.
All right, ready? Bam. Oh, we're going right to fifth. Okay.
Is that what it did?
Yeah. I'm gonna need third, dude, to get up this
All
hill.
right.
This engine has a lot more power than the old Jeep, though.
Yeah.
I think they're both a 3.6, but this one's way better. All right, now fourth. Here we go.
Now we're rocking.
Oh, I love it, dude. This is sweet.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh man, this is nice, dude. Really nice. It feels way better built than the old Jeep. Like,
Yeah. Is that first?
I don't know, dude. What are you doing over here? It's been a while. No, you're Vet's manual. What are you doing? You drive one every day.
With the left hand.
That's true.
And
Well,
on the
it'd
opposite
be
side.
like it was right-hand drive.
Well, it's not. I don't drive a right-hand drive.
This is really quiet.
It is
Like even with the soft top, I was kind of like, oh, you know, hard top would be nice, but wow, it's really quiet in here.
I will
surprisingly.
be a professional left-handed shifter by the time we're done.
Yeah, you're gonna be able to get that right-hand drive GTR you've always wanted. I also kind of wanted like a truck, and the Gladiator is the cool thing right now, and I figured, you know what, I really like it. I think it's cool. When it first came out, I was like, that is a very neat truck. If I was gonna get a Jeep, that's what I would get. And I feel like it was the perfect time. Dodge is genius. They've been having that same, the Challenger is the same as it's been for like the last 12 years. But they still sell them just because, okay, reverse is over and up.
Yeah.
Got it. But they sell them like hotcakes just because they just keep doing new stuff.
The
like,
following's cool.
yeah, like, and look at the Hellcat Red Eye. Like, that's no different than a Hellcat. But like, oh, plastic body kit and 80 more horsepower. Like, oh my God, I have to buy it. And they sell, like, it's crazy. Dodge people are crazy.
But I love how they put a performance engine in every
Yeah,
freaking
Hellcat
vehicle.
Jeep, Hellcat
Durango.
yeah, whatever.
Cherokee. Like, dude, it's sick. Genius.
Dodge does. I mean, I wish Chevy did fun stuff like
I
that,
know.
but they don't.
Put an LS in a freaking
Chevy can't even sell a Camaro. They have to get rid of it because they don't know how to market
engine
it.
in a freaking Blazer.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Now why not do something like that?
Yeah, it makes sense, right? Dude, this thing's cool.
Well, fun test drive. I guess that's it. I'll take it. Ready for paperwork?
Yep.
All right.
Make sure you beat them up.
Should I beat him up on the price?
Absolutely.
This is the key code.
Okay.
You lose a key, you can call any Jeep dealer in the United States of America. They can scan that code and cut you a key.
Really?
Yep.
That's neat. It's a neat little bag too.
This says you have insurance in the state of Pennsylvania.
Okay.
Just a new vehicle delivery checklist.
Okay.
This is from Jeep. This is VIN specific to your vehicle that tells you all the equipment and everything that's on it.
Okay. So nothing
Nope,
to sign.
Nothing
there.
to sign. Pennsylvania Automobile Lemon Law, simply what it states in the first 12 months or 12.
We are done with the paperwork, and here is the Gladiator. Now, I'm sure you guys are gonna be like, you know, what tricks is Mike playing? But we're not on a dealer plate. As you can see, we have a real plate on there, so no tricks. Not a, you know, it's not Beaver's car. It's not you know, Whitmore's truck or their truck. It is in fact my truck. It's got the plate on it. The Gladiator is officially part of the 717 garage. Let's go, dude. Yes, let's go. I am so excited. I don't even need the key because we got push button start. Gladiator time. All right, back in a Jeep. Let's go. Let's do this. This is going to be a fun series of videos. Hope you guys are excited. I can't wait. Look how real. Holy crap. The size of those things. Dude, like, am I crazy, or is that like the most enormous cow you've ever seen in your life? It's wild. Anyway, the Gladiator, yeah, like I was saying, the surprising, hold on, I gotta shift, sorry. The surprising thing is, it's so smooth. Really like, I'm very impressed by just how nice it is. I kind of forgot, and I was kind of used to driving my old Jeep, so that thing, you know, just definitely, it's a huge, the new ones are a huge step up. Really nice, really nice. This engine is way more punchy than the old one too, but it does have a big power increase, so that makes sense. Love driving the manual. It's got a really good feel to it. Nice shift quality. The shift knob itself is like really cool, very heavy and like got a weighty feel to it. Window controls in the center, as on all Jeeps. But yeah, this thing is epic. I would love to take this down to the beach before it gets too cold. Down to the Outer Banks, drive it on the sand. This is epic. Everything I've ever wanted in a vehicle. Got a truck, and it's like a good off-roader. This is kind of like the perfect truck vehicle. It's a great off-roader, and it's a pickup truck. So you get all the fun of a Jeep, but you get the practicality of a truck. And granted, you know, it can't tow a whole lot, and the bed isn't huge, but most people don't need that anyway. It's like the perfect combo. I dropped a big hint in the McLaren video from a couple days ago, where I said, like, you know, Jeep Gladiator might be getting one soon. I'm sure that many of you kind of expected this, but yeah, I wanted to try it. I had the cash, so I figured, let's do it. It just caught me by surprise. I came to the stop, and the AC was getting like warm, and I was like, what's going on? Like, the truck is like broken. already, and then I let off the brake for a second and it restarted, and I forgot the auto stop start was on, so when it stops, like, your AC barely works because the truck isn't on. So definitely got to get into the habit of turning that off every time I get in here. On the highway, it is really nice and smooth, 75, 80 miles per hour in my tallest gear here, number 6, and it's driving great, you know, drives easily, very smooth. I'm definitely impressed. Nice Z06. Grand Sport, actually. I'm definitely impressed with how good of a daily I think this Gladiator is going to be. Car on the roof of that building. Interesting. I'm taking Shane home from Mount Zion Off-Road, which when I was like, hey, Shane, I'll see you later, I kind of forgot. And he forgot as well. But he's dropping off his Hummer, and I'm taking him back. So if you noticed, he was behind me, that's why. Hey, they have the same truck as me, huh? There's a Jeep for you, look at that. Oh, heck yeah. So this is Mount Zion Off-Road. I've never been to Mount Zion Off-Road, but I've heard good things, and here we are. So, pretty neat. They got all kinds of Jeeps here. Look at that F-250 Platinum. That's kind of nice too. All right, I can dig it. Little pit stop for me, for my purposes. I am picking up a new, I don't want to say it, but I'm at 717 Armory. I don't want to say what I'm picking up because I might get demonetized, but I'm picking up a pew pew device. It's awesome. I might put it in a video, but again, it's tough because YouTube does not like pew pews. But this is what I have to do now, but we'll see. We're actually in talks to host a little Cars and Coffee here, like in 2 weeks. That should be really cool. We're gonna call it Cars and you can guess. But literally, that's how YouTube is. You can't say the word. So we'll see. But I mean, they're really cool guys, and it's just kind of a natural fit. Street Speed 717 and 717 Armory makes sense. Anyway, so the Gladiator is at home now, and the drive home was awesome. It's a really cool truck, and I feel like I know we've been pretty car heavy on the content lately. I like to have a good mix on the channel, and I feel like that's just perfect. It's a hot vehicle right now. People want to see what you can do with one, and I'm excited to see what I can do as well. I really don't have a whole lot of, I have a little bit of Jeep experience now. The Gladiator is kind of new for everybody, so it will be really cool to see, like, you know, how's it gonna do with the lift kit and big tires on it and everything like that. So lots of content on that truck coming real soon. Do you call it a truck or a Jeep? Is it a truck or a Jeep? I feel like it's a truck, more of a truck than a Jeep. I don't know. I guess it's about the same. The Corrado's back in the corner, I know. But don't worry, I installed the shift knob today. So that's looking great. We now have an original Corrado shift boot and knob in there. So I'm looking to get the body work done on this vehicle. So it's not gonna be in its corner forever like it was before, but it's back in its little compartment. Anyway, let me know what you think of the Gladiator. If you enjoyed this upload, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Take care and have a great night.